Another great simple thing that you can do with just a couple of ingredients is homemade gnocchi. If you've got potatoes and you've got flour, you can make gnocchi. Very important thing when you cook your potatoes is you roast your potatoes. If you see a recipe for gnocchi and it says boil your potatoes, avoid. You do not want extra water in your mix. You want to roast your potatoes. You want to extract all of the potato. If you've got a ricer, push it through a ricer. If you haven't, just mash it up. And then we had about half a kilo of potatoes. I added 2 egg yolks. Then you want to just work your mashed potato while putting in pinches of flour, 1 pinch at a time, until you get something. It's not a million miles from a pasta dough. It's a bit softer. You don't want it to go hard. You want to take the stickiness out of it, so it doesn't anymore feel like sticky starch to your mashed potatoes. You put flour in just to remove the stickiness, and then once you've got this nice dough, roll it into a sausage, or well, pretty poor sausage, but roll it into a long, thin sort of strip like we've got here. Just close them up, cut them up. I'm rolling mine in semolina, and then if you want to roll them out, just very lightly press the edges, roll it like so, and that is a gnocchi. And you boil that in salted water the same way that you would boil pasta, of 10 grams of salt for every litre. And then you can make anything. We're going to have it with a nice garlic mushroom sauce. If you are lucky enough to have a paddle like this, you can then actually roll in, squash that one a bit, roll it gently with your fingers, and you're going to end up with ridges on your gnocchi, and these ridges are going to hold your sauce a little bit better, so it just helps them to pick up the sauce. We'll come back to this when we've made our mushroom sauce and show you the next bit. To finish our gnocchi, we've got a garlic butter mushroom mix going on here. We've got 1 large garlic clove, 2 small garlic cloves. We sauteed the mushrooms first, added an extra knob of butter, then in went the garlic, and once the garlic's going, we just need to add parsley and seasonings. We've got salt, sea salt, pepper, a little bit of pepper, a bit of white wine in the bottom, deglaze a bit. That cream sauce is if you whack a bit of white wine in at the start, and then just let that cook off. See, that's all evaporated, that's gone. Once that's gone, you're ready for the cream. Just bust in a bit of cream there. Get a little bit of that, we wanted to use that. Just let the heat go through that. And that's done. That's a mushroom parsley cream sauce. So we can wind the heat down on that, just to keep it warm. And our gnocchi that are ready to go, our fresh made gnocchi. What you really want gnocchi, so we've got a nice cream sauce. We're then going to put a bit of fresh parmesan with it. Your water, which is salted and simmering. The rule of thumb with making gnocchi, with making pasta, is for every 100 grams of what you're going to eat, you can have a litre of water. You then can have 10 grams of salt. It sounds like a lot, but most of it's going to stay in the water, and it's just going to season what you're going to eat. So water nicely rolling over, a bunch of induction. You can really fire things up quickly. And I'm just going to take one for the dog. I'm just going to take like enough for us. Like with these gnocchi, you don't want to like crowd the pan either. Just like the pasta, just like after it's gone in, free it up. Don't let it just hit the bottom and sit there, because when it hits the bottom and sits there, it's going to form a lump. And maybe it's like one more. And like these they just take a couple of minutes to cook. About a minute in, the water's rolling nicely, and the trick with gnocchi, I mean, it's quick. You don't want to overcook them. You don't want to over flour them. You just want it really. You want to still maintain that taste of potato. When it comes to this point, they're all popping to the surface nicely. That's just letting you know they're done. And at this point, just turn it off or take it off. Doesn't really matter. Take it off. Got my sieve ready. Back over. Just give it a quick little blast with our aromatic oil. A little shake. Go in. There's a little bit of water that's come off the gnocchi. Put that back in with your sauce. Stir that in. And just like that, that's ready. So there's our nice mushroom cream sauce on there. It's going to come over. Push that out into our bowl, ready to serve. You may want less, but Bella and I can definitely eat this much. There goes a gnocchi sauce and our fresh grated parmesan. I mean, I love a lot. So there we go, just lay that right on there. I'm even going to come back in with a little bit more of our black pepper. There you go, lovely, that's finished.